In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Berkey stainless steel stand. Now there's no assembly required, so I'm just going to show you what to do once you take it out of the box. Now remember, there is a different size stand for each Berkey system. This one is the Imperial, so I'm hoping the Imperial stand is in this box. We're gonna take it out, see what we got. Ooh. Okay. A bit of padding in there, I like that. All right. Goodness. So here's the stand, XL. Okay, so I got all the plastic wrap off. We have a beautiful stainless steel stand, authentic, official Berkey product. I wanted to show you something before I put the stand down. Here, give me that glass. So without the stand, it's still doable to get water out of the Berkey. But you kind of got to bring your arm in and you kind of got to tilt the glass and that's how that works. Well, the coffee pot, it's even harder. So you got to come in here and kind of tilt the coffee pot and bring water. It works, but you know, it's kind of a little bit annoying, you know? So we just want to do the right thing. So I'm going to pick the Imperial Berkey up. My daughter's going to put the stand down and then let's see how it works. There's your installation. Easy, very easy. So now, get my trusty glass. Oh. Uh-huh. And how about the coffee pot? Instead of tilting it, bring that bad boy right in. Well, I'm not going to turn the water on because we still got some delicious coffee in here. Hey, that's the installation of the Berkey Stainless Steel Stand. Tell me what you think in the comments below.